On this video, I will guide you through how to delete everything on your laptop easily. And if you have any question at the end of this video, kindly drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to like, share, and smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right to it. Simply start by clicking on the Windows icon on your PC. So once you click on that, you are going to see settings. So if you don't see settings here on yours, you can simply just search the word settings and it's going to appear. So click on it and go into your settings. Then once you get here, make sure that you are in your system settings. If you are not in your system settings, all you have to do is just click. You see these three dots, just click on it and it's going to bring out all the different type of settings. Then you can easily just choose your system settings. So while you are in the system settings, you are going to look for recovery. So just scroll down a little bit and you should see it. So you can see it over here, recovery. So once you click on recovery, you'll be able to access the reset section. So you can see it over here, reset this PC. So if you are looking forward to reset your PC and erase everything on your PC, this is actually where you can do it. I don't want to actually reset my PC, so I won't be proceeding further. So if you want to reset yours, all you have to do is just click on this reset button and reset and erase everything on your PC device. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video. And please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Also, at the end of this video, you might start seeing some of my similar videos, or you might start seeing some of my playlists. So you can also take your time to watch that, to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.